there, do my twerk. Yeah. Are you a warrior?
Look at his half bum.
We're going swimming pool. It's so hot today. That's why we're going to find a swimming pool for us to make it cold. You can see it. You see it when we there.
Take the gold one. No, that's not the door. No, where are you going?
Yeah.
Bye, Zaya.
What did you say?
He said bye, Zaya. He said
you
bye,
play?
Zaya.
Bye, Dad. Now.
Look how cool it is. I'm so thirsty. I want a bottle of water. We haven't even started swimming yet. This guy's already eating an ice block. I'm just joking, it's mine. Oh, we could have brought some things for a barbecue, honey. We're like maybe 45 minutes into our swim at the pool. I was swimming with my little nephew. I look over to like the adults pool and Siosi's full swimming with the laps, like where it says public lap swimming, fast lane, medium lane. He was like trying to race them in their laps, not knowing that they're actually there to do laps. They're not playing around. Darnell! As we were swimming, we got told that we have to evacuate because there's lightning. We can't even stay under the shelter or go to a sheltered pool. We have to evacuate the premises. I want my money back. Not fair, we only were here for like 1 hour.
Go.
So do you like the swimming or see? Swimming in other people's lanes?
Yeah. Nice.
Are you all wet? Are you all wet?
Go this one.
So we got home from the pools. We only had 1 hour swim in, and then we got evacuated because the thunder, whatever, and it was just part of their procedure. So I had a fight with the lady because she was trying to kick us out, but we were trying to get change, and my sister over there, she was like half naked, and she was like, you have to get out now. And I'm like, woman, can you wait for us to get changed? Like, how can we walk out half naked like this? And she's like, well, it's an evacuation, you need to get out now. And I'm like, well, we can't get out if you're staring at us getting changed, so please let us just quickly get changed first, and then we'll go out. So then I finally put on my dress while she's standing there looking at me. And then I went to the front and I'm like, we just got here about an hour ago and we didn't even have that much of a swim. Can we please have our money back? And she tried to give me some attitude about it, but I won't have it. I was like, you need to give me my money back now. No, I didn't. I really didn't. I was like, well, we're not going to come back here anytime soon. Like, we don't know when we're going to come back. So a voucher wouldn't do much for us. Can you please give us our money back?
Hey guys,
And
don't
she
go
did.
to that pool again. Don't go to that pool again. It's Gaia. If you're Samoan, it's Gaia. It's a Gaia pool.
Hi everyone, just finished shower. Just finished from the pool, and now we finished shower and get ready to go for the polling. Let's have more fun for the Christmas time. And thank you for all my friends for subscribing and liking our vlogs. And for Caterpillar haters, don't do that. Love you. Bye.
Hey there. We're off
bowling.
Well, thanks, babe, for taking my line. We're going bowling now with my sister and her fiance. I suck at bowling, so waste of money for me, but it's alright. It's alright. We're going for a good time. Oh my gosh, I've got a headache from the pools. I'm going to give CLC his surprise gift. He already knows that I got him a gift, but he hasn't seen it. And he knows that they are shoes because he's a freak color. But I'll give it to him tonight. We will give it to him. We will give it to him tonight together. I just got here at the bowling and I realized that I left my wedding ring at home.
It's okay, I can wear this one.
Yes, CLC never takes his ring off, but like for me it's annoying because of the diamond part. It always gets annoying and gets caught like on my hair and stuff, so when I'm at home I take it off, but when I go places I'm meant to remember it, and I usually do, but tonight I didn't, and I feel really upset about that. It's my turn, I'm up first. I really suck at this, but it's alright. Give me one, babe.
Hello.
Trying to get his bowl in. I ordered us some wedges and some fries. Thank you. Hey guys, so I'm actually doing so much better than before because I'm just taking my time, because slow and steady wins the race. What the hell? I got that one pin and it didn't, and it said that I didn't. Yeah, it should have 9-1. Well, I'm just taking my time and I'm like 30, I'm coming second, CLC's coming first. No, Philip's coming, Philip's coming second, I'm coming third, Chris is the last one. But I'm doing fine, guys, I'm doing alright. We just finished our first game and Filippo won. I came third, Chris came last. CLC was second. And I'm kind of tired already. We've got one more game. Just having a little rest before the next game. I still haven't given CLC's recipe, so we'll give it tonight after bowling. I just got a strike, yo. Going at 5 k's per hour. CLC just got a strike going at 31 k's. Okay. We lost the footage of CLC's reaction to his gift, and so we did another take 2. It wasn't that good, but I hope it's believable. Baby, honey, get up. I got a gift for you.
What?
I got something for you. Get up. Merry Christmas.
Oh. I got it. What's that?
Open it.
Thank you. I have a new shoe. Thank you so much, sweetie.
Aw, that's okay. Where's my present?
I'll pay you later.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like, subscribe.